Hey everyone! Are you ready to unlock financial freedom? Let's dive into Tiffany Aliche's groundbreaking book, Get Good with Money. Now let's admit it, a lot of people don't have a clue how to manage their finances. The tired guy on the subway, the neighbor who buys shoes every week, they're not evil, they just don't know how to handle their money yet. But guess what? You're about to change that. Money issues can throw anyone off balance. Fear, shame, denial. These emotions can mess up your journey to financial stability. Tiffany Aliche has been there too. The Great Recession knocked her off track, but a supportive conversation with a friend changed her life. Her secret? Transforming her mindset. Tiffany is an award-winning financial educator. Thousands have already benefited from the Budgetnista's lessons, and now it's your turn. First things first, understand that your current financial situation isn't the end, it's just the beginning. Your financial situation can change. Believe that you can get where you want to be. Here are some quick steps from Get Good with Money to start your journey. Unlock your mind and reflect on your perception of money. Observe your financial habits and their outcomes. Visualize your ideal financial future. Be grateful for challenges. They'll help you grow. Keep happiness as your guiding light. Build a supportive team around you. Stay positive and have faith in your strength. Now let's talk about budgeting. Your budget isn't static, it's active, like a living document. Precise numbers are crucial here. Think of it as the foundation of your financial future. Here's how to make your move. Point 1. Manage your debt. Make spending and income lists. Estimate monthly expenses. Track your savings. Identify overspending. Revise and cut unnecessary spending. Have a clear idea of your debt. Segment your income and expenses and automate payments where you can. Next up, debt management. Document all your debts, reorganize them, and develop a payment plan. Use methods like the snowball or avalanche, and automate your payments. Picture debt like a Rubik's Cube. Once you organize it, it's manageable. Now let's talk credit. Point 2. Manage your credit. Your credit score is your golden key to financial opportunities. Paying your credit cards on time is key to building your credit score. Be a reliable payer. Analyze your payoff history, use credit cards wisely, solidify your credit history, pay attention to credit inquiries, and diversify your credit types. The financial world treats you better if you have a good credit score. Point 3. Grow your finances. Earn, invest, and repeat. Revise your skills, seek promotions, and find additional income sources. Your skills are an untapped goldmine. Getting a side job can dramatically improve financial wellness. Investing is crucial. It's how you build wealth over time. Savings can only do so much. Investing allows you to beat inflation. You can automate your investment in manageable increments. Point 4. Protect your hard-earned money. No one knows what tomorrow holds, but we insure our cars, homes, and phones. Why not insure your money by using life insurance options? This is key to manage risks. Remember, your financial future starts now. Take control, follow Tiffany's steps, and transform your financial life. You've got this. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more financial tips and strategies. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more great content.